So this is called the TP-Link WA860RE. If you don't know which one this is, I'm going to leave a link in the description, but basically I have only one socket in the landing where I'm going to put this, and then because this one has the AC pass-through, which means I'm not going to lose the socket, I can still use it. So let me give you an overview of where the Wi-Fi is and where I am, okay? I've got the Wi-Fi router downstairs in the living room in the corner, which is pretty much the furthest place away from this office here in the loft. So basically the internet doesn't, or the Wi-Fi doesn't really reach over here, and that's why I'm constantly getting very unstable Wi-Fi signal. It constantly, you know, logs itself out and says no internet connection, blah blah blah, and the speeds aren't as great as down in the living room, obviously. So let's try to fix that. So first thing I did was went downstairs and actually restarted the router just to make sure that there's no bugs or things, because sometimes, you know, the good restart, turn on and off, can fix a lot of problems. Okay, so here we are. I'm gonna do the test on my computer, seeing what is going to be the test over here, and then seeing what the speed test results are really. So here are the first test results: 21, 90 and 20. Okay, this is a 200M connection, so it should be more than double this. Okay, so this is test results number 2, and it looks like we're getting the same results or similar results. A little bit slower download speed, pings a bit faster, and upload is pretty much the same. So basically it should be as simple as plugging it in next to the router over there. I've got a plug just behind there. Oh. So how this works is you're going to plug it in and then wait until the extender light or the power LED light goes green. And by green we mean like that. Next, what we need is this TP-Link Tether app. There are actually a few different options of how you can connect this onto the router. You can do it by just using the WPS button over here in front of the router over there, and then pairing it like that way by pressing this one and the extender at the same time. But I'm going to use the smartphone because that's what probably most people would use. So once you have signed in or signed up on this over here, that's what you be greeted on the smartphone. So we're going to go new devices, we're going to go to range extender because that's what we have. Plug the extender into a power outlet next to your router. Wait until the power LED is solid on. Yes, it is solid on. We're gonna have to press these on here. Wants to know our location and this as well. Let's press next. So all I have to do now is create a password for that and then confirm the new password. So select the 2.5 gigahertz host that you would like to extend. I don't know why there is 2 Virgin Rima Medias over here. We're gonna use this one over here. Okay, and then it's gonna ask the password of your network. So once I've gone next, it's just gonna ask if you want to change the name of the extender. So which I'm gonna do, I'm gonna name it differently, Office Extender, so basically over there, and then press save. Okay, and now it's gonna apply my settings to the extender. So basically now it's saying like put the extender between, you know, my device and the router, so somewhere halfway in the middle, and then we should be expecting these lights to be on over there. Okay, so plug in the extender halfway. So let's plug it in. So it looks like we've got the one over there on. Okay, all the lights are matching, so let's go upstairs and do the speed test again. You're all set? Okay. That's the cool thing. It says you can plug the extender a little further from the router to maximize coverage. So that's good to know, but we're gonna just skip that bit because that's a pretty ideal spot for me, because literally I'm in the office here, that's my PC, you know, with the Wi-Fi thing. Then if I'm looking down there, that is literally where the extender sits down there. This is our extender, so let's connect to that. Connect automatically. Okay, next. Yes. So let's do some speed tests. Okay, so at the moment I am connected to the Rima Media, which is like the main, you know, router downstairs over there. So let's do another test and see what the speed is. So we're getting 18 ping and 118 download, and then 20 upload, which is actually faster upload, and ping is pretty much the same. So it probably like peak hours, so that's why it varies a little bit. That's why we've got about 30 more, but I'm pretty happy with that speed if I got that in the office. Now I'm gonna change the Wi-Fi to the extender. So the extender that is just literally downstairs, and the app said that you can even plug it in even further away, because, you know, to get better coverage or whatever, because it thinks it's a good place to put the extender. Okay, the extender is connected, as you can see, Office Extend, that's what we named it. And then let's do a speed test now. Okay, so we've got one speed test over here. The ping is slightly faster. Our download speed is like 3.5 times lower, and the upload speed is roughly the same. Let's do another test just to make sure. Okay, second test complete, and the ping is actually a little bit faster, like probably 3 to 4 milliseconds faster. Download speed is about 3.5 times slower, and upload speed is pretty much the same, but slightly actually slower.